Honorable Dev Godaji.
Karnataka, with your kind population, I would like to sit and speak. I would like to ask the question. Karnataka government has already made a proposal to construct one more airport. The government has already come and discussed with the Honorable the Civil Aviation Minister, and the situation is more advanced. Only I am not opposing what my colleague, Stambidura, has said. There is a problem. I know that. But how to solve this problem? Please kindly think over. And so as Karnataka constructing one more airport is also to be kept in mind, and see that Karnataka airport, because there is so much of demand. The international airport, what I have sanctioned, now it is not possible to cope up with the coming passengers. So much of passengers. One more airport is necessary, so as Karnataka is concerned. And the problem of my colleague has said, how best you can solve. You have very good experience. Though you are a running man, please kindly see this problem is solved.
Remember the compliment. And remember the compliment.